Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sweta and in today's video we are going to dive into a encapsulation. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out of any my upcoming tutorials. So let's get started. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation in Java is a process of wrapping a code and data together into a single unit. For example, a capsule which is mixed of several medicines. So it's like a encapsulation. Okay. So what is the purpose of encapsulation? So to protect a sensitive data from unauthorized access, we are using for that private variable. Okay. To provide a controlled access through getter and setter method. Key features of encapsulation. So first is data hiding. Keep sensitive data secured by making a variable private. We are making some variable is private to hiding some data, not accessing another class. Okay. Control the access. So provide a public method like getter and setter to access and modify private data. Improve maintainability. So changes the internal implementation do not affect external code. Okay, we are using for getter and setter method. Enhance security. So prevent unauthorized or accidental modification of data. So the access modifier. So we have four type of access modifier: private, default, protected and public. So the private is access level to a private modifier is only within the class. It cannot be accessed from outside the class. Default. The access level of default modifier is only within the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. If you do not specify any access level, it will be the default. Protected. The access level of protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through the child class. We are using an extend keyword using a some getting method and variable using in the parent class to child class. So we are use protected. Okay, if you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from outside the package. Public. The access level of public modifier is everywhere. It can be accessed from within the class, outside the class, within the package and outside the package. How encapsulation works? So the private variable declare a class variable as a private and public method to getter and setter method to access modify private variable. For example, here we have a student class. In student class, we have a name property. So name is string. We are add access modifier as a private. So how we are get using a get method and set. So the get name we are name return the name and the setter method we are set the name of student. Here is the second example. We have a main class and the employee class. Employee class we are new object create emp. So in the emp we are set the name employee and the salary, and here we are print the name and salary of employees. So what is the benefit? So the benefit is a data protection. Ensure a sensitive data is not directly accessible. Modularity. Make the code easy to manage and debug. Code flexibility. Change the internal data. Do not impact external classes. In real world application, we are using a banking system. For example, we have a hiding some data in the account number, some account details. So we are using encapsulation. Okay, using a private variable, so it's not accessible in another classes. E-commerce platform like managing customer data. We are see with example. Okay, so here is the example. We have one bank account class. In bank account class, we add a private fields encapsulation. Okay, then we are add a constructor of Sam as a class name is called constructor. And we are add a getter method and setter method to access a private variable using getter and setter method. And the method is a public. Okay, here we are a withdraw method and the display account method to display all the account holder, account number and balance in the system. So we are main class we are create an object of bank account and add in our constructor all the fields. Okay, then we are call this method using object. So run this example and see the output. So here is the output. We have called this method and here is the output: withdrawal, remaining balance, account holder, account number and balance. Okay, same we are using encapsulation, another example of student. So in the student we are using private fields like name, age, roll number. Same is the getter method, setter method to get name, age set. Okay, then roll number, and we have some main method in the call of student and add data. Here we are not create a constructor. Okay, here is the simple example. So run this example and let's see the output. So student details, here is the name, age and roll number. Okay, so here we are using this access modifier to manage a private field. Thanks for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For more tutorials, don't forget to check out the video description for a link to the code of GitHub and other related videos. Your support helps me create a more amazing content for you. See you in the next video. Happy coding!